consultant in Southeast Louisiana, and this is my son Daniel. You say hi.
Hi.
And today we're going to share with you the BJU Press Biology Dissection Kit and the BJU Press Dissection Lab video. So Daniel is super interested in animals and skeletons and was interested in doing a dissection. So I ordered this for him. I actually ordered the dissection kit for my oldest son who is doing 7th grade science. And then since he was interested, I ordered the specimen replacement kit so that I could do it 2 times. So this is the biology dissection lab video. And so in this video, the instructor, Dr. Koss, goes through dissections of 4 different specimens, which are what come in the dissection lab kit. And he walks you through each one and shows you everything. And so this is super helpful for doing this. The dissection kit comes in a box with the specimens. And these are the specimens. What are the animals in here, Daniel?
The fishes, a frog, and a pussyfish, and an earthworm.
And an earthworm. Yep. So the fish is called a perch, and we have a frog and an earthworm and a crayfish.
And a regular fish.
Yes, that's right. All right, and so you can actually purchase this specimen kit all by itself. It's $16.75, and so that's what I purchased to have an extra set so that we could do 2 dissections, one with each child. Next in the kit is a bag with all the supplies, and in this bag we have a magnifying glass.
A magnifying glass.
Yes. Some tissues, some dissection pins, some paper towels, an instruction pamphlet on how to dispose of your specimens. We have some moist towelettes, and we have the toolkit, which comes in a nice little case, and all of our tools are in here. So we have everything we need to do a dissection. And then in the bottom of the box is the tray, which is really nice and sturdy. It's got some weight to it, so no one's gonna accidentally knock anything over. And it has this absorbent pad in it as well. All right. So this is what you can find in the dissection kit if you're interested in doing dissections with your student. This has everything that you need. It's ready to go. It is heavy, isn't it? Yes. And so you can find this in your catalog under 7th grade science and 10th grade science. It is just underneath the kits there. The entire kit, which has all of the tools and supplies and 1 specimen set, is $66.75. And then the additional replacement specimens is $16.75. And the DVD with the lab dissections is $49.95. And those can all be discounted through your Homeworks by Precept consultant. So make sure to reach out to one of your personal consultants, and we will be happy to answer your questions and help you order this with our 10% everyday discount. Thanks so much for joining us today.